Welcome to the first update on Mall Kelapa Gading. There are two news we're about to cover in this series of updates. First stop, brand new escalators. The escalator you're currently seeing is the last Gold Star escalator in the entire mall. It may be about time when this escalator will go, as all the other Gold Star escalators have been removed as a result of a major renovation currently happening at the first and second phases of the mall. Wait, there are two brand new escalators being installed on top of the Gold Star escalator we just rode. Seems like the Gold Star escalator will be replaced as well in no time. Let's find out the brand of the new escalators. And it's a Fujitec. We'll see when these escalators will be up and running. So, stay tuned for the next update. And the second news is, the freight lift at the second phase of the mall is being replaced. And as seen on some other channels covering this news, the brand new lift will be Sigma. But until now, the model is unconfirmed. But first, let's take a look at the replacement progress on each floor. And now, the model reveal. And it is Muse 2.0, a model not listed in the official website of Sigma Elevator Company. This may be the first of its kind in Indonesia, or maybe worldwide? Anyways, when will it run? I predict it might run by the end of next month, or maybe in July. Stay tuned for the next update as well for this. But in the meantime, see you next time, and as always, never trust a generic.